Well, good morning friends. Day 2 on the Overland Trail, and yeah, the sun has just risen over the back there, and yeah, nice cool morning. So it's a fairly relaxing day today. It's probably about a 3.5 hour hike out to the next hut at Windermere. Yep, a nice, relatively easy day today. A little bit easier than yesterday's sort of quite epic hike over the back of Cradle Mountain. So yep, well, anyway, I think breakfast will be nearly ready, so time to head back up to the camp.
Coast over there, we don't care about that.
Yeah.
And Murchison with its little cow blues.
Cedric, Lyle, others. Let's go.
Well friends, we've now reached our second camping ground at Lake Windermere, and yeah, the lake's is just visible just out there. We've walked past it, and yeah, now made up to the camping ground. So yep, another day done.